Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglu, and this series of videos will help you to basically understand and structure your own web pages. So this is the title of this series: is web page structures and web page content. So the first topic I'm going to cover is tables. Okay, a table. What's a table? A table basically is something we use in a web page to basically create some content which you will be able to actually demonstrate based on records. For example, if you want to put a table in Microsoft Word, so if we go to Insert and then select Table, I could actually put a table with three uh, three rows and two columns. So here I'm going to say name, and here I'm going to say surname, and here I'm going to say Ioannis Dizoglu, and then the next one is David White. That's my father-in-law's name. And then you can actually make the header bold, and you can actually change the text as well, the color text, etc., etc. Okay, so this is a table. So how we create a table in on a web page? The process is simple. What we need to do, let's go to Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, basically pause this video, download Notepad++, and then start playing this video again. Now you don't have to use Notepad++. You can actually use only Notepad. It is better to use Notepad++. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a table tag. So this is how you create a table. And then I'm going to close my table tag. And that's how you creating a table. Now my table, I'm just going to put here a space here. I'm going to say border equals, and then in double quotes I'm just going to put a border of 2 here. So if I go now to File and select Save As, and I'm going to select this as table example .html. Click Save. Now if I go now to this folder to actually locate the table example and open on my web page, so I won't be able to see actually anything yet, because even though I created the table, I have not actually selected explain how many rows and how many columns I want to have. So I'm going to go back to Notepad++, and in order for me to create a row, I need to create a tr tag. Now a tr tag, let's close the tr tag. A tr tag will enable me to see a row. So if I Control S to save, and I go back to the web page, the web browser, and refresh, I can actually see a row there. It's just a little dot there because I have not applied the size yet. Now, the next thing I need to do is create a couple columns. So I'm going to put td tag is a column, and then I'm going to close the td tag. And within the td tag, I'm just going to put here first name. Then I'm going to create another td tag here. And I'm going to put last name. And then close the td tag. So I've got now one row with 2 columns. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go to the web page and then refresh the page. And I've got now a column with first name and surname. I've got the border here at size 2. So if I actually change the border to size 20, Control S to save and go here and refresh, I can see the border is 20, size 20. I'm just going to leave it like that. The next thing I need to do is put some space. So to do this, what I need to do is go to, Notepad++, and I need to type here cell. I've got 2 options here, cell padding and cell spacing. I'm just going to put cell padding for now, and I will say equals to, and within double quotes I'm going to say 20 as well. So I'm going to put cell padding 20, and then I'm going to put pixels. In fact, just leave it 20. It should be alright. So I've got the padding now. So I've got 20 pixels padding to the top, to the bottom, to the left, and to the right. Now, if I actually put here, if I go there and put pixels, it will make no difference. It will still work fine. But some web browsers might actually come up with an issue. Or we just add in extra code there that the robots needs to basically read for no reason. So let's leave it as 20. Now, also we have cell spacing. Now the cell spacing, let me show you what cell spacing does. I'm just going to put here 30. I refresh. So the cell spacing is basically the space in between the two cells here. So I've got a cell and a cell here. So the cell spacing is the 20 pixels around in between the table and any other cells. Okay. So that's cell spacing and cell padding. So I'll go back here and let's keep it 3. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these tr tags, so this row basically, and paste it here, and I'm just going to put here Ioannis. Going to put here and I'm going to skip a couple of lines, paste this there as well, and then put that David, and then white. Let's change that to about 5, let's say. Let's change that to about let's make it 5 as well. Control S. If I go here now and refresh the page, so we have a table with the content, so I just need to make this bold now. To make this bold, what we need to do is go here just before the first name. I'm going to create a B tag. A B tag will basically make the text bold. There's multiple ways to do it, so that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is by actually putting CSS, a cascade style sheet. Let's put here // So that's the B tags. Because the text is within the B tag, this text will be bold now. So if we check it, okay. Now we can actually change the font size, the font style, etc., etc. We can apply CSS, but I will produce a video tutorial on how to do this. So this is how you create in a table by using HTML. Now you could apply within the table. You can create. You can apply pictures. You can apply animations. You can apply a number of different things. So if I go back to the Notepad++, you can actually change the width of the table. So I can say width. I will say equals to. I will say 100%. Control S. Now if I go to the web browser and refresh, I can see that the width is changed to 100%. I can change the percentage to pixels. So I can say 400 pixels. Control S to save. Refresh. So you have more control over it. Hope you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching.